Hello world, this is Ernie. So I thought it'd be interesting to try to provide regular updates, or as they say, build in public, right? So very quickly, let's take a look at what I've been working on. And the whole idea here is really I want to take any form of unstructured data and turn that into structured data so that you can then pass that to any LLM or app or service and turn it into a blog post, or in this case, what I'm about to demonstrate is this whole idea of taking a video that I've recorded and then transcribe it and then generate subtitles. And it's using this SDK that I found recently that I see as being in the same league as Cursor, i.e. products and services that are built for an AI native generation. And what I mean by that is really, notice how the moment I run this command, right, it spins up ephemeral or permanent resources based on what you have defined over here. So in a way, it's trying to give people the agile and rapid development cycle on the cloud as you would have in your own local environment. Right, I'm loading a large Whisper model here to do the transcription. And if you have ever built a Docker container or image, I think you'll be astonished at kind of like the orders of magnitude at which this is faster. So it is done, right? And now we get the text as well as the subtitles that we can now upload to the YouTube, and of course translate into Mandarin for the Chinese subtitles or any other languages for the matter as well. And I think the best way to see how it performs is to listen to the original video.
Hello world, so I'm in Tibet right now. Why am I in Tibet? I guess it's just one of those places where for some reason you kind of have to go as a Chinese young person. As for why, I mean, that's some.
So yeah, I hope that gave you some ideas for how we can now easily deploy our models and serve people over the cloud through the use of Modal. And so just to give you some more sense of what's going on, so basically I've been able to upload the audio into the cloud and then generate transcriptions and then save it inside this remote storage. And we can then use this to be included as caption for when we make the API call to YouTube and other services for that matter. And then of course, there are so many things that we can stack on top of this now that everything is all taking place over the cloud. And you have all this data that is now in a way officially an asset that you can program and play with. Yeah, so I can't wait to provide more updates in time to come, and cheers.